Hello students, welcome to 7th Maths class. In our previous sessions we have completed our unit test syllabus as I told. Now we are going to start our third chapter revision. First point is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only one as common factor. They are also known as relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. For example, 3 and 8. In these two numbers or from these two numbers, 3 is a prime number. It will not come in any number stable. So, prime or the common factor between this 3 and 8 will be just 1. So, they are known as co-prime numbers. In this way, if only one is a common factor between numbers, then they will be co-prime numbers. Next concept is twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are defined as if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. That is, twin prime numbers must be co-prime numbers, and other condition is that difference between them should be 2. Then only they are said to be as twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5. Already they are co-prime numbers and difference between them 5 minus 3 is 2. So they are twin prime also. Like 29, 31. Common factor between them is 1. So they are co-prime. And 31 minus 29 difference is 2. So they are twin prime also. Next concept is how to factorize a number into its prime factors. This is needed to calculate HCF or LCM of numbers. Means in order to calculate HCF and LCM, first we have to know how to factorize a number. This rule was given by Euclid. He was a mathematician. So he discovered the method to find the factors of given number into its prime factor number. According to this rule, any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. For example, we will see. You can see here, this factorization can be done by two methods, vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. In vertical arrangement, we have to write the required number. Then we have to start with the lowest factors of that number. Here you can see 24, first factor is taken as 2. Then 24 divided by 2 is 12. So it is also written below 24. Again 12 is divided by 2. So 2 is again taken as prime factor. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. So it is written below 12. Next is again 6 is divisible by 2. So it is written in factors column, and after that again division will be 3. Now 3 is prime number, so it is divisible by 3 only. So prime factor taken as 3. Lastly 3 divided by 3 will be 1. So now just these factors will be taken as prime factors of 24, and it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Like that, vertical arrangement is this method. Here 24 is written in the form of 2 into 12. Now 2 is prime number, write as it is. Now factors of 12 we will find as 2 into 6. Now out of this 2 and this 2 are prime numbers, keep as it is. Now factors of 6 we will find as 2 into 3. Lastly in this step all the prime numbers we will get. So ultimately 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is called horizontal method. So remember this, to write a given number as a product of its prime factors, it is to factorize it into its primes. In simple way, like tree diagram, we can write the factors of given number like this. Suppose the number is 63. that can be written as 7 into 9. Out of 7 and 9, 7 is prime number, write as it is. Now factors of 9 will be 3 into 3. So at this step we will get all prime numbers 7 into 3 into 3. So 3 can be written as 7 into 3 into 3. Like this, suppose number is 45. It can be written as 5 into 9. As 5 is prime number, take as it is. Factors of 9 again 3, 3. So lastly we will get 3 into 3 into 3. Like that 20 can be written as 2 into 10. 2 is prime, right as it is. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So factors are 2 to 5. Next concept is greatest common divisor, GCD, or it is also known as highest common factor. HCF and LCM are positive integers. The HCF or GCD of given numbers is their greatest common divisor or factor. This can be calculated with the help of two methods. First is prime factor method and second is division method. Out of these two, first we will see how to calculate HCF by prime factor method. See this example. Find the HCF of 24 and 32 by prime factor method. 24 prime factor we have calculated here with the help of vertical and horizontal method. 24 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So in this 2, common factors are 2. 3 times 2 is repeated in both the side. So out of this we have to take 2 common 3 times. So the product will be 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So HCF of this 24 and 32 will be 8. Remember, if one of the given numbers is divisor of all the others, then it is the HCF of given numbers. If no prime number is a common divisor of all the given numbers, then 1 is their HCF because it is only common divisor. Next is to find the HCF by division method. For example, suppose 144 and 252, their HCF we have to find. So steps are, first step will be divide the bigger number by smaller one. So here bigger number is 252. So we have to divide 252 by 144. Next is divide the previous divisor by the remainder in this division. So here 144 ones are 144, remainder will be 108. So from that remainder 108 we will now divide the previous divisor. Previous divisor was 144. So from 108 we will divide 144 again. So divide, so its division will be giving remainder of 36. Now step third will be divide the divisor of step 2 by the remainder obtained in the division in step 2. Continue like this till the remainder becomes 0. The divisor in the division in which remainder is 0 is the HCF of given numbers. Therefore the HCF of 144 and 252 is 36. Next step will be based on this division method. We have to reduce any given ratio to simplest form. For that, first we have to calculate the HCF by division method, and whatever HCF we will get, that we have to divide so that last reduced form we will get. For example, 209 divided by 247. By division method it will be like this: 209 divided by 247, and lastly when the divisor is 19, that time we are getting remainder 0, means for this case HCF is 19. So in these two numbers 209 and 247, 19 is the HCF. So if we will divide 209 by 19, answer is 11, and if we will divide 247 by 19, the answer is 13. That's why 19 gets cancelled and the answer remaining last will be 11 by 13. So lastly, reduced form of 209 and 247 will be 11 by 13. So in this way, HCF can be calculated with the help of prime factor method and division method. After finding the HCF of two given numbers, we can convert it into simplest form. So in our next session, we will learn how to calculate LCM.